In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos and simplify your cloud storage from OneDrive. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Microsoft account login page and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to recover it on the login page, although that's a topic for another day. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft account homepage. Next, locate the app launcher icon. It resembles a grid or waffle shape and acts as your gateway to Microsoft's various services. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. A menu of apps will appear, presenting you with different options. From this menu, select OneDrive. This should redirect you to your cloud storage interface, where you can start organizing your files. Now that you're in OneDrive, find the Photos option. Depending on your interface's layout, it might be located on the sidebar or at the top. Clicking on Photos will open up all the pictures stored in your OneDrive account, displayed in a neat gallery format. This area is where you can browse through your collection and organize your photos. To delete a photo, scroll through the gallery and click on the image you wish to remove. When you hover over the photo, a small checkbox will appear in the top corner. Check this box to select the photo. If you want to delete multiple photos, simply continue selecting others by checking their respective boxes. After making your selection, look for the delete option, usually represented by a trash can icon located above your photo gallery. Clicking on it will trigger a confirmation prompt. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions. A dialog box will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected photo or photos. Take a moment to ensure you've chosen the correct files, then confirm the deletion. And there you have it, photos successfully removed from your OneDrive storage. If at any point you decide you need those photos back, remember that OneDrive retains deleted items in the recycle bin for a limited period, allowing you to restore them if needed. This process is a straightforward way to clean up your digital space, ensuring that your OneDrive remains organized and efficient. Regular maintenance like this can keep your cloud storage service running smoothly, providing easy access to the files you need, exactly when you need them.